Hola, ¿cómo estás? I am Coach Johnson. This is Coach Aguirre, and this is Coach Moody. Welcome, and thank you guys for joining us for some fun activity. All right, before we get started with our activities, we're going to do our daily warm-up. First thing we're going to do is start walking in place. So we're going to get some music, and we're going to start just walking in place, trying to get loose. We got some fun stuff. Fun stuff today. DJ. I'll give you guys a clue what we're going to do today. I'll give you a clue. All right, now we can start just walking around, getting loose, getting warm. Then we can pick it up to a slow jog. We have our bright colors on today, our rainbow colors. All right, we get back on our spots. Good job, coaches. All right, our next warm-up is our jumping jacks. We're gonna do 10 jumping jacks. Ready, coaches? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one is our shoulder stretch. So we're gonna lift our right arm up. We're gonna bend it behind our head, and we're gonna use our other arm and kind of just pull it over just a little to stretch it out. Here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it off. Now we're gonna switch to our other arm. Left arm up in the air, bend it behind your head, and we're gonna use our other arm and kind of just pull it just to get a good stretch. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, shake it off. Good job, coaches. All right, next one is arm circles. So our arms are gonna go out to our side, and we're just gonna do some small circles going forward. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Now we're gonna go in reverse. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it feels good. Let's see. Ooh, Coach Johnson, I see some growth. All right, next one is our washing machine. So on washing machine, there's 2 ways you can hold your arms out, and we're gonna go side to side, or you can hold your hands on the end just like this and kind of just do exactly the same thing, whatever you feel comfortable with, okay? All right, here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it off. Next is our swimmer stretch. So in our swimmer stretch, we hold our arms out to the side, and we're just gonna cross them across our body. One arm may be on top one time, then you're gonna just switch and put the other arm on top the next time, okay? All right, here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, shake it off. Good job, coaches. All right, I think we are on our bottoms, so we're gonna have a seat on our bottoms. Our first one is our sit and reach, so we're gonna put one foot back, just like this, and you're gonna try to touch your toe with both hands. If you cannot touch your toe, go as far as you can, okay? We're gonna count to 10. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, great stretch. And we're gonna switch feet. Other side, we're gonna use both hands. Don't forget, try to go as far as you can, okay? Keep this knee on the ground also. Do not let the knee come up. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. All right, let's put both feet out there. See if we can touch both feet with both hands. If you cannot, just reach as far as you can. If your knee pops up, it's okay to come up a little bit, but don't bring them up too far, okay? All right, here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, great stretch, great stretch. Our next one is our butterfly. So we're gonna bring our feet together, just like this. Try to bring as close as you can, and we're gonna try to stretch our legs to the ground. If it's hurting, bring your legs back up. You don't want it to hurt, you just want a good stretch out of it, okay? All right, here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, guys. All right. Our last stretch warm-up is gonna be rotating ankles. So when you do that, you're gonna bring your one leg up, bring it close as you can to your body, and kind of rotate your ankle a little bit, and then you're just gonna let it go back, and we're gonna just do the other leg the same way. Just like that, guys. All right, here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job, great job. That was our last warm-up activity. Now we're gonna take a small water break so we can gather ourselves, get some water, and get the equipment you need. So I told you I was gonna give you a hint earlier on our activities today. Did anybody guess what it was? Basketball. So we're gonna work with ball handling. So when you're getting your water, go get you a basketball. If you don't have a basketball, just get a ball that can bounce. It don't have to be a basketball. Just try to get you a ball. You may not be able to do this activity in your house. Parents may be mad. You can go outside and try it, okay? But go get a basketball, and you will need a deck of cards. Okay, so on your water break, basketball, deck of cards. We'll see you in a bit. All right, welcome back from your water break. Now, when I said deck of cards, these are a deck of cards. It's got a bunch of numbers on it. If you don't have a deck of cards, you can use a paper and write numbers on the paper, okay? But we're gonna set our deck of cards to the side, and we are gonna start with ball handling, okay? So we're gonna start off very slow. So we're gonna actually have a seat on our bottoms. And with ball handling, you're going to use your finger pads. These are your finger pads. So we're just going to kind of get loose and play with the ball with our finger pads. These are your finger pads, okay? So kind of just use your finger pads. You can roll it on the ground with your finger pads, roll it around you. I just want you to get comfortable using your finger pads. These are your finger pads with the ball. We're not using our palm this area, using your finger pads, okay? So keep using your finger pads. We're gonna get DJ to play a little music while we're getting used to moving the ball around, using our finger pads with the basketball. Finger pads are very important for controlling. So when you actually start dribbling and shooting and playing the game of basketball, it is very important to control the basketball, and you're going to use them finger pads to control the basketball. Go around your head, using finger pads. Reverse, reverse, reverse. Go the other way around your head. Get used to your, oh, I just hit myself in the head. That happens. Just keep going. Hopefully you don't have a hard ball. All right, let's go around our waist. See if you can go around your waist. Only use your finger pads. We're not using this part. We're using just your finger pads. Around. Reverse, reverse, reverse. All right, let's go underneath, back, under our legs, back and forth. Using them finger pads. If your legs aren't long enough, you can lift them up. So you should be getting more comfortable using the ball. Now, when you're rolling it, I want your eyes to look at me and don't look at the ball. Let's see how comfortable you are. All right, let's go with our right hand and let's go forward and back without looking at the ball. Try to look at Coach Johnson or Coach Aguirre and Coach Moody. Using your finger pads only. So basketball, this is a very important part of the game. All right, let's use our other hand, left hand. Same thing, forward and back. All right, now you should be comfortable with your finger pads. Now it's time to get to the fun part. You're like, Coach, hurry up, I know how to do that already. Okay, okay. Now, next thing, fingers. When we're getting ready to start the dribble, you want your fingers apart. See if you can see that. Fingers are apart. We don't want them together like this when you're dribbling. Fingers are apart just like this. And we are gonna push the ball and not slap. So what I mean by pushing, you're gonna push it like this. You aren't gonna slap it. So we pushing with the finger pads, okay? Fingers apart, and you're gonna push the ball. Got it, coaches? And all we're gonna do is just try to do a little dribble right next to us, just using them finger pads. And if you got this little dribble down, you can go up, trying to dribble in circles, or even try to spell your name. But don't forget, we're using finger pads, fingers apart, and we're pushing. We're not slapping, okay? And let's try not to look at the ball. See if you can look at Coach. All right, let's try with our other hand. This is my non-dominant hand, so let's see if Coach can do it while I'm looking at you. Looking at you at home, see what you're doing. How we doing back there, coaches? Good? All right, looking good. Great job. All right, you have passed the first section. Let's see if we can stand up and try it while we are standing. And don't forget, let's finger pads. These are your finger pads. Fingers are apart. Where they're not together, they are apart. And we are not slapping the ball. We are pushing with our finger pads. You want to keep the ball kind of close to you. You don't want to be dribbling far away from you. You want to kind of keep it close to your waist, and you want to dribble about, let's say waist high. It should not be up here. And this may hurt your back for too long, so let's try to just keep it at our waist, okay? Got that, coaches? All right, let's go ahead and try to just do a stationary dribble. Keep it by your waist, using your finger pads. We are not slapping, no slapping. Your hands are not together. Fingers are apart, or fingers not together, fingers are apart. And we're using the finger pads. Now, I know a bunch of you guys are looking down at the ball. Let's see if we can look at coach. Look at coach and do that. That's all that control that we worked on when we were sitting down, using them finger pads, controlling the ball. And if you got that part down, let's just start walking around, getting used to dribbling, moving. Using them finger pads, try to keep your head up and look up. If you cannot, it's okay to look. But we're just getting comfortable. We're getting comfortable dribbling with our finger pads, fingers apart. If you got some moves, you can show me your moves going in between your legs. And then when you get real good, go back and forth. See if I still got it. I used to do this like spider drill. 2 hands, is it spider, is it 2 hands? 2 hands in the front and go back, you go tap, 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 tap. There we go. I still got a little bit. I still got a little bit. Coach, you got that? I mean, Coach Moody got it. Yes. So when you get comfortable with that ball, there's a lot of different things you can do, okay? All right, we're gonna take a quick water break. Make sure you have your deck of cards. We're getting ready for our first activity. See you in a few. All right, welcome back from your water break. Now it is time for the ball handling activities. Our first activity is going to be 21. So with your deck of cards, I have ours set here. I'm going to have the 2 coaches line up back there on the red line. And when I say go, they're going to come pull 1 card off the deck. So I'm on the line, ready, set, go. I'm going to come grab a card. Well, I'm going to be dribbling with my finger pads, fingers apart, and we're pushing, not slapping. So I'm gonna be dribbling, grab a card, and I'm gonna dribble back. And a face card. If you get this card, let me bring it up close to you. If you get this card, this is a 10. Anything that has a person on it, we're gonna call that 10, okay? So I have a face card, so when I say face card, you know that's 10. So I dribble back, so I got 10. I'm gonna sit it there, I'm gonna dribble up, grab another card, dribble back. Let me show it to you. I got another 10. This game is called 21. So I got 10 plus 10 is what, coaches? 20. I'm going to dribble back. I'm trying to get 21, so I need a 1 or an ace. So I got a 7. So what's 20 plus 7, coaches? 27. So I busted. I went over 21. But we're going to keep playing. Let me show you. So I have 27. My next card is a 2. So I'm trying to get to 21. So I'm going to subtract 2. So 27 minus 2 is 25. I'm going to dribble up. I'm at 25 minus, oh my goodness, that's a face card, and a face card is 10. So 25 minus 10, I'm back to 15, my goodness. So I'm going as quick as I can. So I'm at 15. Next card is a face card. Goodness. So that means I'm back to 25. So my next card, in order for me to win, I'm at 25, I would have to get a 4. So if I pull a 4, 25 minus 4 is 21. That means I win. Woo! Woo! So that's the name of the game, 21. 21. Now, for my young ones that cannot keep the numbers in their head, you can use a piece of paper. So I can give the coaches a piece of paper and they can write the numbers down, so that way you can write it out on a piece of paper instead of trying to keep it all in your head. Okay? So get you a piece of paper, and every time you pull a card, write that number down. You know how to add and subtract. Okay? All right, coaches, any questions? Should I shuffle the cards, or we already did? All right, so we're going to let the coaches go at it and see who gets 21. DJ going to pump that music. Ready, set, go. Here we go. And don't forget, during this ball handling, we are using our finger pads. Finger pads, fingers are apart, they are not together. You don't dribble like that. And you are gonna push, not slap. You're not slapping, you are gonna push. 21, oh, we got a winner. We have a winner. Wow, that was fast. Wait, let me go back and check, because you know, I know some people that kind of, yes. So let me show you Coach Moody's cards. Wow, that was awesome.
I need to go to the casino.
Yes. So Coach Moody has 2 face cards. We said that was 20, and she got a ace. It's an A on the card. That means a 1, okay? So 10 plus 10 plus 1 is 21. So she is the winner. Nice, nice. So that's our first activity. Let's move on to our next activity. I want to get to another one, okay? Our next one, I'm going to set this to the side real quick. I actually want to play in this one, so that's why we're moving on. Our next one is going to be everyone against everyone. It's a dribbling game. So does everybody see this black circle right here? This is going to be the boundary. Or I guess we can call it a castle. We all have to get inside the castle, and we're going to dribble. If we dribble outside the castle, we are out the game. So you will just go stand to the side. If we pick the ball up like this, we are out the castle. Okay? And now, some of the rules that we can do. So while we're dribbling, let me see you dribble, coach. I can try to knock the ball out, coach, or she can knock it out mine. And if it goes out, I'm out. Okay? No kicking. You can't kick. You cannot do this. Dribble, pick the ball up, run, hit the ball out of her hand, and start dribbling again. You cannot do that. You have to dribble at all times. Okay? Any question, coaches? DJ, can you play that music? Ready, set, go. Get her, coach. Let's double team, double team, double team. Yeah, there you go. There you go, coach. That's teamwork. You call that teamwork. Yes, yes, yes. What does that say? Basketball never stops. That's game number 1. Would y'all like to play one more time? Yeah. All right, we're gonna do it one more time. Maybe I'll take it easy on this time. Ready, set, go. Oh! Oh! Yes! Yes! Coach Johnson once again. Maybe they just let me win. Are you guys letting me win like that? Okay. Well, that's our ball handling for today. Let's go over what we learned. First thing, finger pads. Use your finger pads. It's a lot easier to control the ball when you're using your finger pads. If you're trying to not use your finger pads, it's a lot harder to control the ball, okay? Keep your fingers apart. If they're together, it's like you a robot. So keep your fingers apart. And then we're not slapping, okay? You don't slap the ball, you push it, okay? So those are our ball handling. This is Coach Moody, Coach Aguirre, and I'm Coach Johnson. Remember to stay safe, stay active, and be healthy.